Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is so bizarre. I don't know what I've gotten myself into, but I thought this would be a fun challenge to try out. It's just a fun makeup challenge. Like, I'm not trying to like be serious. Well, I am actually, but this is just meant for fun. I'm going to attempt to do my makeup with chopsticks. Yes, chopsticks. And I'm gonna try my best. I'm like gonna take the challenge serious. I'm gonna try and do a good look. I heard that there was like some sort of like chopstick makeup challenge trend going around on TikTok. I'm not on TikTok, so I wouldn't know, but I did see Michelle Phan do a makeup tutorial. She made it 10 times harder. Not only did she do her makeup with chopsticks, but she only gave herself a 10-minute time frame. I'm not gonna do that because that's just too pro for me, but I am going to attempt to do my makeup using only chopsticks. So I'll like open all of my products, but when it comes to actually applying it to my face, my hands will now be my chopsticks. Ooh, I'm so nervous for this, but I think this might be a long video just because I think I'm gonna take forever. So let's just go ahead and jump on into it. I will leave below past like makeup challenges I've done. I can't remember all of them that I've done, but I'll leave them linked below. And if there's any other like fun, crazy type of makeup challenges you guys would like me to try, let me know. And let's begin. So I'm gonna start with my primer, and I normally just take my finger and apply it, but let's take the sponge. I'm gonna use my sponge to, oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know, I'm scared. We're gonna dip that in. I got some primer. Okay. Hold on, let me hold it this way. There you go, okay. A little bit more control. I feel like, okay, I know how to use chopsticks, but I don't think I'm the best. Like this is hard. Okay, I guess that's good. Moving on. So next for foundation, I guess I'll just apply it on the sponge and then use the chopsticks to go like that. If you guys want to know what products I'm using, I'll have that all linked below for you guys. Okay. I mean, I feel like it's so far so good, but I have to squeeze my hands so hard to hold on to this sponge. So my hands are gonna get tired real fast. How do I get like in this little crevice of my nose? Ah, I dropped it. You know what I feel would be like easier doing this challenge is if I had one of those trainers, chopsticks trainers. You know, well, I don't know if you know, but at least when I was a kid, we had these little, like this little rubber thing that would attach to the top of the chopsticks. So it would basically get the chopsticks in position for you, and all you'd have to do is squeeze the chopsticks to grab your food. And that's how I learned to use chopsticks. I could really use one of those trainers right now. Okay, I mean, that's not too bad. Whew. Whew, that was a workout. My hand is cramping already. Next is concealer, and I guess I would hold this part with my chopsticks. This is so slippery. I can't, like it won't, I don't know if this is cheating or not, but we are going to just paint this on to the sponge and then use the sponge. Is that cheating? I feel like I saw Michelle Phan holding her applicators with the chopsticks. How do you do that? It's so slippery. I mean, the sponge is okay because like there's some grip. That's why I can squeeze so hard on it. Ooh, this is so hard. My chopsticks are so slippery. Wait, I think I might have wooden ones. Okay, I have these ones. They are not wooden. They're still plasticky. They're just a lot longer. I don't know if this will make a difference. Okay, so I got a little bit of my concealer on. I'm going to set everything with powder. See, this I use a brush. How? Oh my god, how? Like, how? How? Oh my gosh, this is so close to poking me. I'm barely touching my face. Okay, hold on. Readjust. What if I hold the the hair. Maybe I'll have enough grip. Oh, nope. This isn't the impossible challenge. I can't do this. Michelle Phan made it look so easy. Okay, okay. I got it, I got it, I got it. No! My shirt. Look at those patches. Should I like turn the brightness down so you can see? Look at that patchiness. I'm holding it by the brush hairs. I just need to blend around my nose. Okay, I can live with that. I can live with that. Time for bronzer. So I'll just get this loaded up on my brush. I think the trick is holding it as close to the brush hair and holding it as far up on my chopsticks. I feel like that's the easiest. Okay, I'm gonna take my hat off for right now. Okay. Oh, look at, do you see that little bit of color we got? This is the softest, lightest application ever. I don't know, it's gonna take me like 10 years to blend this out. I feel like sometimes you just need to reset, like shake everything out, and then when you go in, like you go in hard. That sounded weird. That's not perfect, but I could live with that. Next side. Blend, blend, blend. That looks not too bad, right? Get under that jawline, of course. Now I want to try and get a little bit down the sides of my nose. Not gonna be too precise. It's not gonna be precise at all. Let's move on to the blush. So I'm just going to do a little blush cocktail here of all these colors. Oh, I got makeup on my wall. This is actually the Get Makeup Everywhere challenge because I have makeup on my wall, makeup on my carpet, makeup on my pants, and makeup on my shirt. I see some color, do you? I sounded like Dora the Explorer just now. Let's put a little on my nose. I mean, we got some color. Okay, I'm not hating that. Let's move on. We're gonna do highlight now. I gotta stretch my hands, hold on. Gotta find the best spot to hold it. Did I even put any on? I just feel like I'm barely touching my face. Come on, stay still. Steady yourself. Stop moving. Let's do a little blending on this side. I didn't highlight the bridge of my nose. I got a little bit on there. This is my eyebrow pencil. I don't know how I'm gonna hold it. Oops. Dropping my chopstick. No! Honestly, I'd much rather go like that and go like that. That's what I'm gonna do, actually. Is that cheating? I don't know. I think I'm kind of making up the rules as I go. Let's see if it's actually picking up anything. I think a tiny bit went on there. Okay, okay, I'm getting somewhere with this. I can work with this. I can't like brush my brows or anything. That's a very natural brow, but it has a little bit more shape and definition to it versus like this guy, so I can be okay with that. I feel like I hear people in the comments already. I feel like somebody is gonna be like, you should have done it the other way. You should be holding the brow pencil. Fine, is that really what you guys want me to do? Fine. I can't. Barely getting any color on there. That's me trying to brush out my brows. Ah, whatevs. I'm just gonna finish it the same way that I started. Look, and you can use like the side of the chopstick to try and define the sides or like the edges of your brows. How's that? What do you guys think? Is that an acceptable brow? Are they sort of similar? I feel like this side needs a little bit more color in the front and in the middle right here. Shall we leave it like that? I think we shall. Okay, so far so good. I think this is looking presentable. Let's go ahead and do some eyeshadows. I'm going to do natural colors because I'm scared. So I'm going to take a blending brush, pick up this shade right here so we can put that in the crease. Ooh, this is going to be tricky. This is gonna be tricky. So blending, like going back and forth is not going to happen. So what I'm doing is just tapping this, like pushing the product into my crease. That's as best as I can do. Is it too bright? Let me lower that a little. Do you see the color? We're gonna try on the next side now. Again, holding on to dear life and bringing the brush far up on my chopsticks, I feel like gives me more control, but not enough control to like sweep this back and forth. Just enough to go tap, 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 tap. I'm gonna take a deeper brown. We're gonna put this on the outer corner of the eye. And I'm gonna use the same technique, just tapping. That needs to be seriously blended. This whole look needs to be seriously blended. Look at that, look at that. That's not like the worst thing in the world. This is not going in the Hall of Fame of makeup looks that I've done, so let's get that straight. But, oopsie. But as far as creating like an acceptable look, I think we're getting it. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm doing so good right now. Maybe not. I mean, I feel like I'm getting enough control to put more pressure, so that's cool. We freaking got this. We've made it this far. Let's finish strong. Okay, now I want to add a little bit of shimmer. Okay. Yes! Haha! And I got the inner corner. Yes! Let's do the same thing over here. Tapping is the way to go for sure. Wow! Luckily, I am not afraid to poke my eye because I wear contacts, so I'm sort of used to always sticking my fingers in my eyes. Next. Boom. We got eyeshadow. It's eyeliner time. This will, I was gonna say either make or break, but let's be real, there's only one outcome here and it's break. There's no making it at this point. I can't even grab this steady enough. Dude, I cannot. Every time it gets close to my eye, it starts to move. I got a little bit on there. I don't even know if you guys can see that. I got a little bit on there. Okay, how we gonna, can you rotate that way now? Okay, good, my shirt is good. That was scary. That was scary. How did I do that on this side? And how will I do it on the next side? Okay, hat, you gotta go. You're in my way. I'm bringing this so far up my chopsticks so I can try and have as much control. We're already off to a bad start. Okay, I drew a little line. Okay, I've lined my eye. That is not amazing, but it'll do. We actually survived the eyeliner phase. I'm gonna do eyeliner on the waterline now. Did I get that on there? Yeah, for some reason control on this eye is not the same. Okay, the last thing we have to do on the eyes is mascara. Woo! This is gonna be a scary, scary one. Just like the eyeliner, this could either make or break this whole look. I'm gonna try and find the sweet spot. I don't wanna get this everywhere, but I'm already kind of am. I wonder if I hold it right here, then I'll get my chopsticks all dirty. Yes. Yes. Yes, chopsticks. Yes. I'm getting it. We were doing so good. Don't let me down now. Look at her. Calmate. We got a little bit of mascara. I'm using like the tip part of the mascara to coat my lashes. But I mean, it's working. It's working. Wow. Wow. There is mascara all over my chopsticks now. And there's mascara all over my hands. So for the last part, it's just lips. I think I'm just gonna try and do lipstick. Oh, I don't wanna drop this. I love this color so much. I don't wanna drop it. I don't wanna drop you. No, I'm not. I don't want to use that one. Let's just do gloss. Okay, last step. Here we go. If we just tap, oh goodness. What I was trying to say is if we just tap this all in the correct spot, when we rub our lips together, we'll have enough product all over our lips. You know what I'm saying? Oh jeez Louise. Okay, if you want to stay there then. We got color on the lips. There's just one thing I need to do. I don't know if this was like this the whole time and I'm just now noticing it, or this just happened. But I got some weird creasing on my Cupid's bow. After all the other steps we've done, going back to the sponge is like a piece of cake now. Check it out, check it out. How'd we do? Alrighty, my battery is about to die. The next door neighbor's dog's barking up a storm. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. This was so much fun. My hand definitely got a workout. That was tough. But I am so impressed with the look that we came up with. This is presentable. Not that I'm going anywhere, but this is presentable. I'm happy with this. I'm very happy with this. If there's any other fun makeup challenges you want me to do, again, leave them in the comments below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Ah! No! Ah! No! Ah, I dropped my chopstick. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Yeah. Ah. No! Ah. 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 Yikes. Yeah.